morning, children. In today's session, I want to complete the exercises which are left in rational and irrational numbers of class 9 mathematics. Okay? So, in the previous video, Sarah stopped at question number 9. Okay? Question number 8. Prove that root 3 plus root 7 is irrational. Now I will start from question number 9. Question number 9 I am giving as homework because it is same as question number 8. Okay? Now I move on to question number 10. Question number 10. Write two irrational numbers between root 14 and root 19. Write two irrational numbers between root 14 and root 19. Root 14 and root 19. Okay? So, if you observe root 14, root 15 is a irrational number. Root 15. But we cannot take root 16. It is not a irrational number. It is a rational number because root 16 is 4. 4 is a 16. We cannot take that number, isn't it? So, root 17. It is a irrational number because no perfect square for that square root. And they ask only any two irrational numbers. Therefore, I am stopping here only. We can write root 18 also. It is also irrational number. Understood, children? So note down this sum. So question number 11 also I am giving as homework. Question number 11 is homework. Now question number 12. So they are asking us, state in each case whether true or false. The sum of two rational is a rational. The sum of two rational numbers is a rational. Okay. So is it true or false? They are saying. Is it true or false? So if you observe, so if you observe any two rational numbers, if we add those two rational numbers, we will get rationals only. Suppose rational numbers means which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. It can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So they are called as rational numbers. Correct? So if I add, so first one I am simply don't write this, just I am giving an example. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. If I add these two rational numbers, again I will get the rational numbers only, which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Correct? So therefore, the first answer is true. Second answer. So what is the second answer? The sum of two irrational is an irrational. The sum of two irrational is, for example, this is irrational numbers, this is also irrational numbers. If I add these two, so then definitely I am getting the irrational only. They are saying no, because if I add this, I can get some decimal values that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Suppose if I get 0.5, that is nothing but 5 by 10, correct? If I get 0.005, I can write 5 by 100. So if I add these two, the root 2 also, the value of root 2 is also a decimal number. The value of the root 3 is also a decimal number. If I add these two, then definitely I will get rational numbers but not irrational. So therefore it is false. Third, the product of two rational is rational. The product of two rational is rational. So for example, 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, 6 by 15. It is a rational. So therefore it is true. Third one is true. Fourth one, the sum of rational and irrational is an irrational. The sum of rational and irrational is the irrational. Okay? The sum of rational and irrational is irrational. Okay, that is also, we can say it is true. So fifth one, we can say the product of the sum of rational and irrational is okay. Third one. Fourth one is the product of two irrational is irrational. So it is false. The product of two irrational is irrational is irrational is irrational is false. The product of two irrational is false. The sum of rational and irrational is an irrational numbers. The sum of rational and irrational is irrational. Definitely. Rational means we can take 2 plus root 3. So definitely we can write only root 3. So 2 plus root 2 is rational, root 3 is irrational. So what is the answer? The sum of rational and irrational is always, the answer is irrational only. The answer is irrational only. Sixth one. Product of rational and irrational is always rational. Product, if I take of rational and irrational, I will take so therefore irrational only. So this is true. So sorry, not true, false. So first one is true, second one is false, third true, fourth false, fifth true, and the sixth one is false statements. So next 13 and 14 questions are there. 13 and 14 questions. What are rational numbers? Give 10 example. What are irrational numbers? Give 10 example. No need to write. Only up to 12 it is enough. Okay? So true, false, true, false, true, false. So write on this points in your notes.